in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can switch your Facebook accounts. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Scroll down. In here you can see logout. Simply tap here. Tap on save. Now just tap on logout. So guys, here you can see they are showing me my both accounts. Now if I want to switch, let me tap on other account. Like if I tap on this account, in here you can see it's switched to other account. Tap on save. Tap on OK. Now again go to the setting. Again go to the menu icon right here. Tap on, scroll down and log out here again. And here you can see both other options. You can log into another account or you can create new account. If you want to log into other accounts, just simply tap here and add your mobile number or email and then your password, and then tap on login and it will switch to your new account. Also, if you want to create another account, simply tap on create new account, get started, and here put all of your information regarding your new Facebook accounts. So this is how you can easily switch your Facebook accounts. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.